Hi. Today, we're going to talk about the wonderful and versatile star anise. This fragrant spice is commonly used in Asian cuisine, but it has many other uses beyond the kitchen. In this video, we're going to share with you 5 different ways you can use star anise to improve your life. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Cooking, star anise is a popular spice used in a variety of dishes, particularly in Chinese and Vietnamese cuisine. It has a sweet and licorice-like flavor that pairs well with meat, vegetables, and sauces. You can use it to make soups, stews, and marinades, or to flavor your favorite tea. Potpourri, star anise has a pleasant aroma that makes it a great addition to homemade potpourri. Combine it with other spices, dried flowers, and citrus peels to create a natural air freshener that will make your home smell amazing. Home remedy, star anise has medicinal properties and is commonly used in traditional Chinese medicine to treat coughs and colds. To make a home remedy, boil a few star anise pods in water for 10 to 15 minutes, then strain and drink the tea. It can also be used as a natural remedy for digestive issues, such as bloating and gas. Infused oil, you can make your own infused oil with star anise to use in cooking or as a massage oil. Simply crush a few pods and add them to a bottle of olive oil. Let the mixture sit for a few days to allow the flavors to infuse before using. Natural cleaning, star anise can be used as a natural cleaning agent due to its antimicrobial properties. You can make an all-purpose cleaner by boiling star anise pods in water, then adding vinegar and citrus peels. Use this mixture to clean countertops, floors, and other surfaces in your home. In conclusion, star anise is a wonderful spice with many different uses beyond the kitchen. From cooking to home remedies and cleaning, this fragrant spice is truly versatile. We hope you found these tips helpful, and we encourage you to try them out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Please keep in mind that this video is not intended as substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of a physician or other qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Follow us for more at the Food Glossary.